Right, guys, welcome back. My OBS crashed the first time while I was like describing the setup, so I've lost like basically 2 hours of waiting worth of footage. But anyway, right, so what happened is that we had this big move down back into this fair value gap that has hit quite a few times and fails to break through, right? And then we go down, sweep out these lows, right? And there was a 5 minute fair value gap. There is one here, right? And also one there. This entire thing is a 15-minute fair value gap. Now, you could also argue that that swept liquidity and that this thing, this rectangle there, that's an order block, right? So what did we have here? So it was consolidating. This was really irritating. This was like 2 hours worth or something. So consolidating, right? Then massive wick up into the fair value gap and order block, right? Then crashes. I missed this, right? Because it broke structure with this candle, but I wasn't entirely sure. That is a problem that I have. I'm very skeptical. I'm very nervous about entering trades, right? Um, but anyway, we then have that massive move down, and I say, okay, if it goes back into this fair value gap, I'll enter, right? So what did it do? Went all the way back up into this fair value gap. I entered and I have my stop loss there. So that's a $50 loss, right? So it's obviously going my way now. This here is my first take profit. That is my second one, which would result in a $180 profit for the day. Now that's really, really good because about I'd say a week ago, I put in 4 lots instead of zero point 0.4 lots because I'm stupid, and let the trade run, and it hit my stop loss of what should have been like $40 was $400. So I lost a fuck ton on my funded. Oh, also on the $6,000 funded, I made enough profit to buy a $15,000 funded, which we are doing now, which is what I lost $400 on. So, and then I proceeded to lose like 50 more on like a decent trade, and then I made 150 yesterday. And if today's take profit hits, that would put me at only goddamn, only $220 loss, which is quite big. I might move my stop to break even. um, I think I'm actually going to do that now, but so far so good. I'm scared. I might move my take profit to there just to secure some profits. Because I don't know if it wants to sweep out those lows and then you know starts fucking. I might just, yeah, I'm gonna move it there. So that would be a $165 profit. Okay, I hit my first TP. Okay, I can't change the stop loss because it fucking hit TP. And now we're just waiting for the second one to hit, and it looks like it might. So yeah, I don't like, this is like, fuck, I can't change this. So what's the time now in the United States? So 3:30 p.m. for me is 9 a.m. for them. So what's that? So that's plus 6 now, pretty much. So it's currently I think 3 p.m. Yeah, around 3 p.m. in the United States. So it still is a New York session kind of, but it's not open. I don't like trading open. I often get the best trades around this time when market is supposed to close for like lunch break or whatever the states have. Um, but yeah, so this is usually where I find the best trades. Still New York session, just quite late for me, especially as you can see, it's like basically 10 to 10, and I have a math exam tomorrow, so I really shouldn't be doing this. I don't like this rejection purely because it swept out those lows, and it's now kind of doing something I don't like. But we'll leave it. Worst comes to worst, we have actually, you know what? We'll put it there. So even if it hits my stop loss, it's a $9 profit. So if it hits, that will be a $75 profit for the day, which is not bad at all. I'm trying to risk very, very little. because otherwise I'll fucking like blow my account. I've done that before. So even though I make a lot, I lose a lot. It's just not worth it. I might pull out of a trade now, depending on what this wick did. Because if this is a double rejection, that means it swept those lows, those 1 minute lows, and then you know what? It might just be going up to a fair value gap. I don't know. We'll leave it. Don't want to get scared. Worst comes to worst, hits our stop loss, $75 profit for the day. So that is all, guys. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but yeah, I'm back basically. I just have exams. Cheers, guys.